An exclusive new video of Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared from the Cannes Festival. As the big event of Cannes Festival has started, both Yagmur and Baris have arrived and everyone is so much happy to see this beautiful couple looking so much beautiful in the red carpet of Cannes Festival. Actually, the series of Yagmur and Baris is so much famous at international level that both Yagmur and Baris are also very happy and they attended the big event. They were invited and they finally reached at the Cannes Festival and many new beautiful pictures have been shared.